The first one is print on demand. Print on demand allows you to work with suppliers of white label products in order to customize those products and to sell them under your own brand and with your own designs. And because you don't pay for the product until you sell it, there is no need to buy in bulk or stock up on inventory. Print-on-demand services ensure that everything after the sale, from digital printing to order fulfillment and shipping, is handled by your supplier. Once everything has been set up, it only takes a few clicks to fulfill an order after a sale. The pros of POD are: once the design is complete, you can create the product and put it on sale in minutes. Shipping orders is taken care of by your supplier. This takes the hassle and responsibility out of shipping. You're only responsible for customer service after the sale. Next point, low investment, low risk. Since inventory isn't held by you directly, it's easier to add and remove products, test ideas, or pivot your strategy. And now the cons. It is obvious that the cost of a print-on-demand product will be higher than when purchasing in bulk. Shipping costs are difficult to predict as the price might differ depending on the print-on-demand product. Additionally, if you want to make your unboxing experience stand out, your options are limited. There are limited customization options. The vendor and product you choose will determine the customization options and size available to you. So one of the best print-on-demand suppliers are Printful and Printify. Your t-shirt designs can become passive income if people find them useful. You can sell them for a few months and then create a new design to sell to your existing customers. The only big thing you need to consider to make any revenue at all is of course marketing. So you need to run some ads on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok. So for this business, you really need to calculate some marketing costs in the $100 and $250 range to run some serious ads as well. So the next one is mutual funds. Investing in securities like stocks, bonds, money market instruments and other assets is done through mutual fund investments, which are pools of money collected from many investors. An investment portfolio of a mutual fund is structured and maintained to match its investment objectives as stated in the prospectus by professional money managers. The goal of a mutual fund is to produce capital gains for its investors. A mutual fund provides small and individual investors with access to professionally managed portfolios of stocks, bonds, and other securities. Each shareholder is rewarded proportionally for the gains and losses of the fund. So, the obvious pros of mutual funds are management by professionals. Fund managers do all the research for you. They pick the securities and monitor their performance. Mutual funds typically invest in a variety of companies and industries, so your risk is lower if one company fails. Next, it's affordable. A majority of mutual funds set a low dollar amount for initial investment and subsequent purchases. Investment liquidity means mutual funds investors can cash out their shares at any time for the current net asset value plus redemption fees. The downside of mutual funds is that you have to share the profits with all the other investors, and it will probably take years or even decades to make remarkable profits. But it should at least protect your money from inflation. The next one is photography. So the next possible passive source of income is photography and videography, in this case on Pexels. Just in case some of you don't know about Pexels. Pexels is a stock footage provider made mainly for content creators who need stock footage for their work. And since Pexels offers free stock footage, some of them, or to be precise, 11 million monthly users search on Pexels for any kind of stock footage. You are probably wondering what the catch is. So why use Pexels if you are not even getting paid as a photographer? So, the answer is simple, because there is a link to your Instagram and a donation link via PayPal, and that's one way to make passive income. Because, as you can see, some of the pictures aren't even hard to take. So you could take some random pictures of a wedding, for example, where you have to go anyways, or landscapes or a rainy evening, and just post them on Pexels with almost no effort. And you could get some donations or some new Instagram followers. And that's how the business world works. If you don't have a lot of money to start a business or any other potential passive source of income, you have to start small. And maybe for some of you, that's a too ridiculous start to an online business, and in some terms I can understand that. And that's why I'm not going to tell you to completely rely on some possible but unstable donations. So the plan should be to grow a small audience by actively posting on Pexels and on your linked Instagram account, to one day switch to the other more popular stock footage provider Shutterstock. Because on Shutterstock you get paid for your work, and after you have just already built an audience, you tell them to check out your Shutterstock uploads. And so you could build a business that could generate passive income for you. The next one is blogging. So the next, also easy and possible source of passive income is blogging. If you are interested in a certain topic, whether it's stocks, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, food recipes, fitness, or technology, you can share this knowledge online, on your website, via WordPress, Wix.com, Tumblr, or Blogger. And to monetize your blog, you need to run some ads on your website through Google AdSense. So all you need to do is to create a website and share your knowledge and enthusiasm about your favorite topic. So it is possible to earn passive income if you have enough readers on your site. And the last one for today, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to monetize your blog. When it comes to fitness, for example, since you are trying to lose weight and build muscle with your blog, you can recommend protein shakes or apps that help your readers track their calorie intake. If your blog is about finance, you can also share a link to specific finance books. Most services offer affiliate programs, meaning you can get anywhere from 1% to 20% when someone buys a product through your link. And since you have gained your readership's trust because they are getting value from your blogs, it's very likely they will click on your link and buy the product. There are some affiliate link providers like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, or CJ Affiliate. You could also share these links on your YouTube channel if you have one. Or, if a friend of yours wants to buy something on Amazon, you could also create an affiliate link to that product and send it to your friend. He will still get the product for the same price and you will get a small commission. That's for today, so see you in the next one.